Good morning, children. We will continue with the second chapter, quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, what is the general form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a cannot be equal to 0. Now, finding the solution or finding the roots, we have seen finding the value for this variable x that is given to us. And I also told you that there will be two values for the x, or there are two roots for x. We have seen the first method, that is factorization. In factorization method, what do? We find the factor for the middle term. Middle term we split into two terms considering the third and the middle. That I have already shown you, and I had asked you to complete the homework. I suppose you have done it. In case if any question you found it difficult to get the factors, mark it, keep it. We shall see that. Okay. Now, the second method was completing square method, which is omitted from your portion for this year. So, we'll go to the next method, that is formula method. For formula method, first you must know the formula. Now, what is the formula? One is finding the value of x. And you have to learn it by heart. Okay. So, what is the formula? Formula is x is equal to minus b. Take care of this minus. Okay. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Also note that this square root is for entire b square minus 4ac. Okay. Upon. This upon also is for the entire numerator upon 2a. Why I say is, sometime when you write the formula, your upon stops till here, minus b, and this line is only till here. It looks as if it is only for minus b. It's not so. Okay, so what is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now, from where do we get this b, a, c, a? From our equation. What is b? B is the coefficient of x. Whatever is the sign, this is plus. So, whatever sign you get over here, you have to change the opposite sign. If your b is plus, when you write it, it will become minus. If your b is minus, then when you write over here, it will be plus. So, please take note of it. Okay. A is the coefficient of x square and c is your constant. Okay. Now, we said there are two values for x. So, we consider the first value as alpha and the second value as beta. So, what is the first value? First value, that is alpha, is equal to minus b. Here we can put plus or minus. Put only plus. So, one value will be with plus, the other x value will be with minus sign. This is your alpha beta. So, learn this formula well. Minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Take the last page of your notebook. Write the steps for this. To solve quadratic equation by formula method. To solve quadratic equation by formula method. First, write the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. I repeat. First, write the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then, find the value of b square minus 4ac. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. Write the formula. Substitute the values. Write the formula. Substitute the values. So, I repeat. In solving quadratic equation by formula method, first, write the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then, find the value for b square minus 4ac. Substitute, write the formula, substitute the values, get the answer. Okay. How do we solve it? Now, we are going to solve it. Take note, write the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So if your constant is on the other side of the equation, please bring it this side first. Then you write the values for a, b, c. Then you get it. Okay. So just take note of this. Okay. We'll go for a practice set 2.4. Practice set 2.4, question number 1. Compare the given quadratic equation to the general form and write the values for a, b and c. I have written an equation in the second one that 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. Write it in the general form. So what is the general form over here? General form is 2m square. 5m come this side of the equation, you will get minus 5m. Minus 5 coming this side, you will get plus 5 equal to 0. Now they get the values for a, b and c. What is your a? Comparing to. You have to mention that sentence over here. Comparing to ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, so you have to add that statement over here. Comparing to x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 5. So all the equations before solving for formula method, you have to write it in this form. First you write the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then what should be a next statement? Comparing to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we have a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to. Refer to your textbook for the steps. Okay. Similarly, you can solve question number 1 and 3. Look at third question over there. You are given y square is equal to 7y. You have y square is equal to 7y. How do you write the general form method? Y square minus 7y. Now the constant is not there. So whichever term is missing, you add 0 over there. Equal to 0. Now comparing to x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 0. Okay. Suppose this term was missing. How will you write that? If this term is missing, then you will write it as 0y. Take out the variable. Whichever variable is given to you, same variable you have to use it over there. Okay. Similarly, you can solve sub question 1 also in that. Please solve sub question 1. We shall see solving using formula. Question number 2. I have taken the sub question 4 over there. 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. First step, write the equation in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Is it in the same form? Yes. Then comparing to x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, write a, b, c. Okay. Next, find the value for b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. What is your b? Minus 4. So minus 4 the whole square minus, put it in the bracket, 4 into, what is your a? A is equal to 5. C, what is your c? Minus 2. So what do you get over here? Minus square always become plus. So 4 4s are 16. 1 minus minus. Minus into minus become plus. 4 into 5, 20 into 2, 40. So what will you get over here? 56. This is your b square minus 4ac. Now substitute in the formula. What is your formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That is equal to minus b. What is your b? B is minus 4. So minus b will be 4. Plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. How much you got b square minus 4ac? 56 upon 2 into, what is your A? A is 5. This much is clear to you? Now, root 56. You write the factors of 56 in the root sign and see if anything can come out of it. Okay? What I meant by that is, write the factors of 56. What are the 56 factors? 56 equal to 28 into 2, right? 28 can be written as, this 4 again can be written as 2 into 7 into 2. So you can see this from here 1, 2 comes in common. Okay. So this I can write it as 4 plus or minus square root of 56. I am writing it as 2 into other things I am writing together 14 upon 2 into 5. Let me tell you why I wrote it like this. Okay. Why I wrote is, from these two, 1, 2 comes out. From the root sign 1 comes out. From here also 1, 2 you can take common, and that 2 can be cancelled with the denominator. I suppose it is understood by you. Okay. I'll do it over here. Look at it. That is equal to. Now that 4, I can write it as 2 into 2. Plus or minus. From the root sign, I have taken one root out. 2 out. Then what do I have? Root 14. Okay. Upon 2 into 5. Now if you look, there is one 2 which can get cancelled. Please remember, these 2 will not get cancelled only with this. This denominator for both the terms. Denominator is for both the terms. So you have to take out common, then only you can cancel. Okay. Take 2 common out. So what remain over here? 2 plus or minus root 14 upon 2 into 5. Now these 2 get cancelled. Okay. So what are you getting over here? 2 plus or minus root 14 upon 5. Now nothing is common. So here this is the value for your x. Okay. So the next statement you have to write, therefore x is equal to, separate it like alpha and beta, 2 plus root 14 upon 5, and x is equal to 2 minus root 14 upon 5. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation. This is how you solve it. I have not written one step over here, that is comparing ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then you have to start it. Okay. Please copy it. We will go for question number 5. What is the question number 5? Y square plus 1 upon 3y equal to 2. Okay. Y square plus 1 upon 3y equal to 2. First, write it in the general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So bring this plus 2 on this side of the equation. So you will have y square plus 1 upon 3y minus 2 equal to 0. Now you can see the 3 in the denominator. So make our calculation easier. We will remove the denominator. How do we remove the denominator? Multiply the other terms by 3. So when you multiply, you have 3y square plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now comparing to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 6. Okay. Next, what is the next step? Find b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. What is a b? 1. So 1 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 6. Please put the bracket. Minus and minus become plus. When you calculate, you will get 72. So b square minus 4ac is 73. Now find the value of x. So write the formula, minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute it. What is a b? B is 1. So minus b will be minus 1 plus or minus, what is a b square minus 4ac? That is 73 upon 2a. What is a a? A is 3. So 2a will be 6. Now, if you remember 73 is a prime number, so there nothing comes out, there is nothing common. Even in the factors, you will not get anything to get out. Okay. So what is our x over here? Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6, or x is equal to minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6. I repeat, this upon sign is for both the numerator. Sometimes what you write is minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6. It is only for 1. That is wrong, girls. It has to be for the entire answer. Okay. So please copy it. We will go for the next question. 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. Write it in the general form. Comparing, it is already given in the same form. Okay. Comparing to, we will get a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13, c is equal to 8. What is the next step? Find b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac, substitute the values. b is 13, so 13 square minus, please put this in the bracket. 13 square 169 minus, when you multiply all this, 4 5 are 20 into 8, 160. 169 minus 169. Now write the formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. Now you substitute the values. When you substitute the values, what you get over here? Minus b. What is a b? 13. So minus b will be minus 13 plus or minus. What is a b square minus 4ac? We have got it as 9 upon 2 into, what is a a? A is 5. Okay. Now that is equal to, I am writing it straight, please write one below the other. Okay. That is equal to minus 13 root 9. What is root 9? Plus or minus 3 upon 2 5s are 10. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to minus 13 plus 3 upon 10, or x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. Now you have to calculate it. Minus 3, minus 13 plus 3. In addition and subtraction, if the signs are different, subtract the number, put the sign of the greater number. When you subtract this, what do you get over here? Minus 13 and 3. When you subtract 13 minus 3, you will get minus 10 upon 10. Put the sign of the greater number. Or, what do you get over here? X is equal to minus 13 minus 3. The signs are same, add the number. And put the sign of the greater number. So, you will get minus 16 upon 10. This get cancelled. It will be minus 1. Here what is common? 2 is common. So, take out the common. So, what you will get? Minus 8 upon 5. Minus 8 upon 5. So, you have to write that. Okay. X is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Okay, this. There is one more question. Question number 3. With the help of the flowchart given below, solve the equation. Okay. So, what you have to do is, you write the equation x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 root 3, C is equal to 3. Find b square minus 4ac, substitute and try it. Okay. If you don't get it because of the root sign, any difficulty, you just leave it. We will clarify it when we are meeting online. Okay. The remaining questions are also for your homework. Please complete that we have not completed. Take your problem set. In problem set, page number 54, problem set, question number 7. Solve the following quadratic equation. You have given over there 6 questions over there. 6 questions. It is not mentioned which method, either formula or factorization. It is up to you. Whichever method you want to. Sometimes when you go factorization method, it's difficult to get the factors. Okay, if you are struggling to get the factors, directly go for formula method. Okay, there are some which are in the denominators. Remove the denominators. Wherever there is bracket, remove the brackets or expand the bracket. Okay, so solve that. That is for all for today. Two methods. One is factorization method and the other one is formula method. Factorization method you have already done in 9th standard. This is just a repetition. Formula method, please learn the formula well. One method is removed for you. So only two methods are over here. What is the formula method? What does the formula says? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. For this, the equation has to be first written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Steps, please refer to your textbook. Okay. Please learn the formulas by heart. That's all for today. Now remaining we shall see in the next class. Okay.